Bright LED light. LED bulb produces bright white light for a variety of tasks around the house. Perfect for camping accessories, hurricane supplies, and survival kits. Safe flashlights for kids. Easy to use. The ribbed casing gives you a secure, easy grip. Easy to operate, no hassle switch. This flashlight is built to be durable and easy for adults and kids to use. Batteries included. These flashlights come with two Eveready D batteries, so you have power and light when you need it. Lifetime LED bulb. Lifetime LED bulb never needs to be replaced. It is up to 15x brighter than standard flashlight bulb technology. Long-lasting battery life. 60 hours of runtime, so you have light when you need it. The perfect flashlight to have in emergencies, storms, etc. Take these flashlights camping, hunting, fishing, outdoors, or indoors. Ideal for power outages. Buy with confidence. Trust is the Eveready brand for reliable power and performance, at fantastic value, lights built to fit your lifestyle. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for purpose. My children seem to find all the flashlights in the house and either lose them or hide them under the bed for days, turned on of course. These are perfect decoys since they are not too small and look reasonably like the better flashlights I want to hide. These are at a disposable price point and actually work well without being too bright since kids love to point flashlights at your face.